giving my CFA level 3 exam again. Hi guys and welcome to True Talk with T. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm finally gonna be giving an update about something that is very important to most people on this channel. I mean, it's not important to you, it's important to me, but it has a connection to all of you all, and that is, when am I planning to re-give my CFA level 3 exam? So I'm gonna finally answer that question in detail in today's video. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to the subscribe button. If you ever like my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so first of all, I don't know how to say this, but this has been such a tough video to make. Apart from all the emotional bit and all, I don't want to make it sound like a sad, oh, this is such a senti video, no. Just a difficult video to make because of, I think, how difficult the journey has been overall for people who followed my journey. If not, go and check it out in the channel, you would know. This is not the first time I'm giving my CFA level 3, obviously. And it's been really a roller coaster of a ride. Like, I used to think that level 2 से ज़्यादा difficult कोई exam हो नहीं सकता in terms of journey, because we had 4 DEFILs because of COVID period, but I think level 3 has taken the cake away. Like, now that seems like that was fine, that was okay. But yeah, it's been a very difficult journey, and making this video has been difficult because taking this decision of giving the exam again has been one extremely difficult decision. I've used the word difficult so many times, but yeah, an extremely difficult decision in my life, for multiple reasons. First of all, I think giving an exam, a competitive exam, multiple times really drains you of energy, right? That is something I have felt, and I'm sure many of you all also do. Once you give a competitive exam again and again and you don't see the result, in spite of knowing that you know things, you have the knowledge. Like, even today, some of my friends come and they ask me doubts and I'm able to solve it, right? And in fact, I give them the correct pathway. So I know that I know it, and still, that whatever reason ki wajah se the exam is not going through, it plays with your mind. It emotionally drains you. The sacrifices you make, the isolation that you get into, it's pathetic, right? So, to first of all, deciding that, okay, I want to do this again, I want to put myself through all of that again, I'm ready to do that, is not the easiest thing to do. But like I always say, the only thing that can get you through CFA is perseverance. And if I am preaching it, I'm definitely practicing it. So it is something that I anyways follow, that the universe falls in love with a stubborn heart. मेरा एक वैसे ही inside joke है कि I need to really struggle to get things, and ठीक है, this is also one of those testing periods. So yes, I do plan to give my CFA level 3 again, that's a given. Originally, the plan was to give it in Feb 2026. I did not give it in August 2025 because of certain things that were happening. So I said that, okay, let's not get into the mess, let's just keep it for Feb 2026. Have I registered for Feb 2026 yet? No, I haven't. The honest answer is no, I haven't, and I'll tell you exactly why. Personally speaking, I have certain responsibilities, certain commitments, family commitments, that I think at this point has to take precedence more than my desire of wanting to get that CFA out of the way, right? And I think sabke sath hota hai, sometimes your life takes over, your family needs to be given that importance. Although, to be very honest, they all are telling me ki nahi, tu ye kar le, leave it. But I don't know, maybe I'm just not that person. I cannot take that step over this. I know that my presence is needed more here, and I would want to be physically, mentally, emotionally, in all aspects, fully available here. So that is one reason that I haven't registered yet. Also, of course, cost is it's a very big thing. People who are giving CFA would understand that it's not the cheapest exam. And since my last attempt and this attempt, I had decided that whatever exam that I thereafter give related to CFA will be funded by me, right? So that is also one thing. I want to fully fund the exam. Again, my parents have been after my life, कि तू ले return it to us. They've even said उतने level पे, but I have decided not to do that, because one thing that I had learned is that the guilt that comes with that, the pressure that comes with that, even though, again, your parents may not say it, but I think after you reach a certain age, we as individuals just start feeling that, you know, कि नहीं 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 ऐसे कैसे मैं कर सकती हूँ, ऐसे कैसे मैं कर सकता हूँ. That's just who I am as a person, and I'm sure that many of you all may relate, may not relate also, but मैं तो ऐसी हूँ. So even my last exam, I had fully funded it on my own, and I know how I funded it on my own. मतलब भगवान ही जाने कैसे किया था, but किया था. And अभी भी one condition that I had put in my head is that I will not give this exam till I can fund it myself fully. So yes, that of course is also a factor that is making me think, because like I said, you know, I have other things that are going on that I know also need my savings or my investments. So it just plays with your mind, you know, kahan dalo kya dalo. So it's not that, how to explain this, it's not that, you know, I can't borrow it from my parents and give it and return it to them later, but I choose not to do that. I want to be able to fund the exam myself without any borrowing as much as possible. भगवान ना करे वो हो, but अभी के लिए this is my thought, and उस वजह से मैंने register भी नहीं किया है. Okay, I'm just giving you guys the most honest answer. Also, third reason that I did not register yet is, a lot of you all who maybe are following me since a long time would be aware that there was a health issue that I have been tackling since quite some time, and उसका एक treatment होना था जुलाई में. काफ़ी चीज़ें प्लान थी, मैं यूके से आई. Honestly, the thing was literally gonna happen. Finally, you know, this thing, I would have gotten cured from it, you can say, in a way. But then something else came out in my reports, जिसकी वजह से वो पूरा का पूरा treatment has gone on halt again. So honestly, my entire July has gone in that, and it's been so mind-boggling. I cannot tell you, because ऐसा होता है ना, एक चीज़ बस ख़त्म होकर आउट ऑफ द वे हो जाती, नहीं वो वापस हो गई है. एंड उस वजह से भी मैंने नहीं किया था रजिस्टर, बिकॉज आई काइंड ऑफ फेल्ट लाइक, यू नो, ओके लेट्स जस्ट सी, you know, how long this healing will take, what if I'm not able to study, etc. But ये चीज़ ही नहीं हुई अभी तक, and it pushed me to a very negative space. Honestly, I think 2 weeks of July, so I was in a very bad space, because I was like, what is happening, you know, why are things just happening and not happening, like reaching the finishing line and just, you know, getting cancelled. So that kind of played with my mind. But yeah, because of that reason also I hadn't. Having said that, I have started preparing to a certain extent, very minimally. I want to start preparing, because I haven't discarded 2026 as an option completely. If I'm able to manage it with all the conditions that I have laid for myself, then well and good. If not, then hopefully August 2026 is what I'm looking at. But why am I sharing this with you is because A, I had promised I will, of course. B, because I just felt that, you know, I was feeling incomplete in this channel, that I'm not telling you guys the real reason, I'm not giving you guys the real update. And since day one, I've been very authentic about this journey, right? Failure हो, कुछ भी हो, मैंने आके बताया है. And I wanted to do it now also, because हाँ भाई है life में issues, दूसरी चीज़ें आ गई हैं, which is taking a priority over this, right? I know today that knowledge wise in my head I have cleared CFA level 3. I can be sure of that. I just need that document to show that yeah, she's passed. उतना ही बाकी है ना. And it's taken me a lot to come to this stage of realization कि ठीक है वो भी कर लेंगे, कर ही लेंगे. I will prepare for it. I'm not gonna stop my preparation. I will start slowly now only. I'll maybe do a vlog soon so that you guys can see also how I prepare. That is gonna happen. That cannot stop, because I know कि मुझे देना है. वो कब का थोड़ा सा tag आ गया. Hopefully 2026, like I said, if everything goes, the conditions hit, then Feb 2026, else August 2026. अब जो भगवान की मर्जी, I have left it to that. मेरी तरफ से तैयारी चालू है, चालू रहेगी, right? This was also, I think, in a very पहले का वीडियो अच्छा कि भगवान जी तो जानते थे मेरे क्या responsibilities हैं. That was a little senti video, but now I don't want to make it senti. I say this, you know, that CFA is about perseverance. Any competitive exam in life is about perseverance, and this is just maybe the universe's way of testing me कि तनी how bad do you want it? Show us to what length will you go for it. And I will, you know, along with all my responsibilities, along with all my priorities, along with all my conditions, I will do it. I may not do it now, I may do it tomorrow, I may do it day after, but करूँगी तो मैं, कोशिश तो मैं पूरी करूँगी. Okay, ये मुझे पता है. I'm not gonna give up on that aspect, even if sometimes in a fleeting weak moment I may have yelled in my house like मैं नहीं करूँगी, आज से मुझसे नहीं होगा, क्यों मेरे को भगवान ने फंसा दिया. मैं ऐसे बहुत बोलती हूँ. I'm also human. But मुझे पता है कि अगले दिन I will get up and I'll be like, तूने ये बोला है, are you mad? करना तो तुझे पड़ेगा, and मैं वही करूँगी, right? It's not about इनिशियली आई थॉट कि मुझे क्यों करना है लेवल 3, इज इट जस्ट अबाउट द ईगो कि मुझे साइंड एक पेपर चाहिए. एक पॉइंट पे मुझे रियली लगा था ये रीज़न है. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई वॉन्ट से ईगो, बट हाँ मुझे चाहिए वो साइंड पेपर या मुझे चाहिए वो पास का रिजल्ट है. बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स अ सर्टन लेवल ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. आई थिंक एजुकेशन in my opinion has always been security, knowledge and security. You should have something to fall back on in life. And I don't know, ये मेरी बचपन से mentality है, maybe because मैंने अपने घर पे देखा है. So one major reason is that, तो उसके लिए मुझे चाहिए कि मेरे पास हो. And two, मुझे लगता है इतना आगे आके एंड में छोड़ना, it just doesn't make sense to me. So I will do everything in my power to fight for it, to get that. अभी बाकी अगेन भगवान की मर्जी, आई कैन नॉट फाइट गॉड ऑन दैट, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई. अभी से द CFA लेवल 3 जर्नी बिगिन्स, प्रिपरेशन बिगिन्स. मेरे पास बुक्स भी हैं 2025 की. आई एम गोना चेंज इट टू 2026. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैं यूके भी लेके गई थी. बट हाँ, मैं एग्जाम तब दूंगी, लाइक आई सेड, व्हेन आई नो कि आई कैन मेक दिस अ प्रायोरिटी अबव द अदर थिंग्स, एंड व्हेन आई फुलफिल द कंडीशंस. बाबा, it is what it is. I think we all as certain human beings before doing something we put a condition. मेरी ये थी, so है, अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. ये वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो गई है, but I guess you guys have gotten the update. So for anybody asking when am I giving my CFA level 3 exam, question answered. For anybody asking will I be giving my CFA level 3 exam, I will definitely give my best to give it. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.